Hi everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel Loraine Marshall Online and my website makemoneyonline-niches.com. Today we're going to take a look at a review product called ProfitSend by Shan. First of all, we're going to have a look at my bonus page, and then I'll put the link in the description below this video where you could go and have a look at all the bonuses that I have, click through any of the buttons and go to the sales page for this product. We'll then go look at the sales page and then the members area. So let's do that now. We go over and have a look at my bonus page. So here we are on my bonus page where we can have a quick look at this product that's launched, which is the ProfitSend. It's basically a training product where you can start building an online business using an email system. So let's have a look. You can build this online system using an email autoresponder system, and the product is training, which can help you to understand how to use various autoresponders to build and grow your online business. Now, obviously, the front end of this product sells at $7.95. There's a one-time offer upsell of $27 with a downsell of $17, which is offering email automation. The second one-time offer is Traffic Mastery, which is learning more about the traffic. That's $47 with a downsell of $27. The third offer is the Success Mastery course, which is 1 month of premium coaching. That sells for $297 with a downsell of $247. And the one-time offer number 4 is the multiple license rights, which is $27 with a downsell of $17. So this is how the funnel is priced up. So your email automation, this is the second one-time offer where you can increase your results using automation. There's complete email automation and video training. There's plug and play promotion email templates. There's a product giveaway to build your list faster. Obviously, there's quite a lot of people like to see free products and will sign up to your list with giveaway offers. And there's new training added every month on that. The easiest way to rapidly boost your income, this is Upsell 2, and the pros on how to get 50 times higher profits and some traffic hacks. You can send and profit is like the Mercedes-Benz of customers on demand. So upsell number 3 is the Success Mastery. That's the premium coaching where you can build your online business quicker, where you've got someone who can be your mentor, hold your hand, show you exactly what you need to do. And basically, you've got Skype calls included in that. You could start your internet marketing business. If you ever get stuck, you can ask questions, send an email, and you would get personal help in return. The upsell number 4 is the multiple license rights, and basically you would be getting 3 of the best selling products. So you get reseller rights, developer rights, and like a turnkey digital business in a box, quite simply. So to go through to the sales page, you need to click on any of these buttons here on my bonus page, and now I can go over the bonuses that I have available when anybody purchases this through this page. So bonus 1 is access to Eclipse, which is for the first 12 hours only. Now all of these bonuses are available through my mentor, John Armstrong. My bonus number 2 is the traffic sources to use, the 2 high quality traffic sources you can use. Bonus number 3 is the 10K email manifesto case study. So that's how to build your email list to 10,000. And bonus number 4 is the Boomerang Buddy Pro. And that's a hack on how to use Boomerang video type product. Bonus number 5 is all of the vendor bonuses will still be available when you purchase Profit Send through my link from this page. So that's my bonus page. Now, anyone who purchases, you would be receiving a receipt like this from Warrior Plus, and you will see this blue button at the bottom, and that is where you would be able to get access to all of these bonuses when you purchase the product. So once again, my name's Loraine Marshall. My website is makemoneyonline-niches.com. Now let's go over and have a look at the sales page for this product. This is the sales page for Profit Send. Basically, this is how you would, if you click on the page and then decide to leave, this big box will come up, which is giving you a $2 off the front end product. So opportunity to get this product for $5.95 instead of $7.95. So it's basically building a business using your email system. So this Send Profit, it's simple email business model, perfect for beginners, and it works for any type of business. It's a step-by-step video instruction, sort of tutorial, and then you can set it up and you can forget it. Obviously, once you've put your emails into an autoresponder and you've set up the email list, you can do that more than once. You can do it for one type of business, and what type of niche, then you can move on and do that for another type of business or another type of niche. So basically, once you learn that skill, it's something that you can actually increase and use over and over again. So making money online, easy if you can follow a few things and follow a few steps. So this is the old way, work hard, and this is the new way, work smart. So you can build your email list, send ethical promotions to your list, and then you can make money. And like I said, once you've done it once, it's rinse and repeat. And like I said, this is coming from the desk of Shan. Now let's have a look at the members area before we go. This is the members area. Basically, the training here is the introduction, very important video that you need to look at. You can subscribe to the YouTube channel here, and the complete training is below this in the members area. So you've got module 1, your email marketing mastery. You've got the second video, why email marketing, the magic of autoresponders and growing the list, an Aweber crash course. Now Aweber is one of the automation tools that I've used and I still do. You've got the Aweber crash course part 2. You've got thank you page design, and that'll be inside of the Aweber tool. Landing page creation, which again can be used from inside of the Aweber tool, or you can set it up using other products. And then you've got your email automation, so you've got your list on auto because you've included all of the messages that you're going to send out to your list. There's also MailChimp, which is another different autoresponder tool. There's a crash course on that. Then you've got how to design professional sign-up forms, which if you're going to host elsewhere, you need to be able to have the sign-up form, perhaps on a social media platform of some description, that you can actually get traffic to. The MailChimp email automation, how to set that up. Testing the automation, testing different subject lines, because sometimes obviously the subject line is very important. It basically depends on how it's structured as to whether or not you're going to have people actually open the email. So it needs to be able to pique their interest so that they can look at it and think, well, what's this all about? And then click to open it, because that's one of the things that you really need. You need your email clients or email list to actually click and open the emails and read them. Otherwise, you're not going to get anybody who will click through to any of the links that you're including inside of your list. So how to write the perfect email, this is sort of another training. And this is extra bonus, which you can get a $67 page builder for just $5. So this is a bonus, and some extra bonuses from the vendor are available here. You would see that once you sign in, there's a Facebook group that you can join, and instant access to this Facebook community. So this is the members area, quick overview here. And once again, this is this is my bonus page, and this is how you will be able to click through and get to sales page and purchase the product. So if you like this video, like and subscribe to my channel, where I regularly upload videos and reviews of digital products that are launching. Okay, see you on the next video. Bye for now.